How's it going, guys? Welcome to Free Box Friday, January, or sorry, February 13th, 2015 edition. And we're going to read off all the names before we randomize. These are everybody that's bought a spot this week. Once again, thank you to everybody for your support and your business. And I'm just going to read down the names because there's a lot of them. All right. Mike G, 10 spots for David H. Is that still blurry for you guys? That's so blurry. There you go. 2 spots for Jeff F. Jake S. 4 spots, 10 wags. Shawnee. Craig G got 2. Ryan. Let me scroll down actually. Tim H. Glenn V. Harry L with 4. Jacob S. Charles. Davis H. John M. John M. Matthew L. Anissa C. Jacob. Sierra, Tyler, Davis, Robert, Tim, Neil, Harry, Michael, James, Dominic, Tyler, Harry, Cody, Bill, Michael. I'll make this easier next time because this is kind of crazy, but I'll improve the process later next time. Davis H, Adrian, Harry, Charles, Michael, Barry, Dominic. You guys are just gonna have to trust me that these are all your spots. Tommy M, Ryan T, Catherine J, Colin D, Jesse J, Brian E, Catherine J, Marcus F, Jackie Y, Colin D, Marcus with 2 more. Javier with 1, Donnie, Marcus again, Benjamin, John, Ginger, Donnie P with 2, John H, Patrick W, Angela A, Kyle F, Donnie P, Benjamin F with 2, Jesse J, Patrick W, Aaron G, Nicole H, Josh M, Tom O, Stephen C, Brian P, Brad B, Joshua P, Brian E, Tom O, Kevin, Tim, Jeff, Tom, Kenneth, James, and we'll start using usernames in the future too, so you can really distinguish. Josh M, but nobody has doubles names so far. Gary M, David K, Darren F, Kamaka again, Brad B, Jerry B, Dennis D, Josh M, Mike S, Aaron, Joshua, Jerry, Aaron again, Corey, Joshua, Catherine, John G, Christopher, Corey P, Catherine, Corey P, Casey M, Corey P, Catherine J, Wayne, Javier with another, Corey P, Shawnee with your 2nd spot, Johan. Ramsey had 10 spots from Wednesday's break. Johan with 2 more. Then we have James with 2, LPS Landon 3, Glenn V from the other night, Mike G, Jackie Y, Abram J, Thomas, Jesse J with 2 more, Glenn V with 3 more, Cody D with 2, David C, Bradley, John G, and LPS Landon with 4 more, Chastity S 3, Brian M, Chase with 2, and the last name on the list, Kyle. All right, time to randomize. Good luck, guys. Tim, you only saw your name twice? I'll double check for you. There's once, twice, and 3. You're in there for 3. See, you're there once, and then you have 2 more at the very top, near the top anyways. Okay, guys. These are all the names in the randomizer. Good luck. Good luck. Free Box Friday. As a thank you, we're giving away both boxes today. Top 2 names. We're going to randomize 3 times. In the future, we'll have a dice, but right now, we randomize everything 3 times. So, good luck, everybody. Number 1. Benjamin at the top. Benjamin at the top. That's number 1. Number 2 at the top is Tyler S. That's number 2. And number 3. Good luck, everybody. Boom. And a slow reveal. LPS Landon and Javier. And they think both guys are not even in the room. Thanks, guys. And congratulations to Javier and Landon. And I guess we'll randomize who gets who. LPS Landon, number 1, and Javier G, number 2. So we'll randomize the 2 boxes. Thanks, guys. 14-15, Court Kings, and 2014 Bowman Chrome. All right, Javier and Landon. Landon was number 1, Javier was number 2. So top name or top product will get number 1, will be number 1 and 2. Number 1, number 2, and number 3. Bowman Chrome going to LPS Landon and Javier getting Court Kings. And let me break Landon's Bowman Chrome first. There you go. Congratulations, Landon and LPS. Here we go. Empty box. Just gonna go ahead and stack this up. This magnet.
I can't wiggle too much in on 130.
Oh.
And we'll have 120. So just the top a little bit.
This. Take this out of the way. Thanks, Harry. We'll see you next week, buddy. Appreciate you. Appreciate everybody in the room. Thanks for sticking around. And again, this is for LPS Landon Bowman Chrome. Here we go. For the Free Boss Fridays, we'll ship all the hits, rookie cards, parallels, inserts, autographs. We got a prisms, refractor. Actually, I shouldn't even call it prisms. Bowman Chrome, Chrome, Jake Locker, refractor. Another refractor of Cecil Shorts.
The Jake Locker wasn't numbered either. Autograph, Josh Huff for the Eagles. Go. Josh Huff, rookie auto. Jerick McKinnon, refractor. Bowman Best, Jadeveon Clowney, die cut. See if that's numbered. Nope, not numbered. Let's see. Refractor, Timmy Jenigan. Thank you, Tim. Not Tim. OBJ, die cut, little die cut. Okay. Richard Rogers, refractor. Refractor of Jordy Nelson. Numbered? Not numbered. Teddy Bridgewater base. A Prisms looking card, Robert Herron. Another die cut, Bowman's Best of Terrence West for the Browns. AJ McCarron, top shelf insert. This looks pretty cool. Refractor, Kevin Norwood for the Seahawks. Thanks, Johnny. Even. And that is it. There you go. Congratulations, Landon. We'll get those shipped out to you with your other cards. We still have any to ship. And going to Javier G, who bought both the Lakers spots in the 6-box mixer and the 6-box gold standard. Congratulations. Court Kings. Box topper. Pack. There we go. Try to keep the box handy. And your box topper, which is a 5x7. Kyrie Irving. And your pack. Let's pull the base cards from the back. Tim Duncan base. Enes Kanter. Stephen Curry. Manu Ginobili. Expressionist insert of Patrick Ewing. And a Sapphire base parallel. Marcin Gortat out of 25. 4 out of 25. Go 4 out of 25. There it is again. A portrait of Kyle Lowry out of 99. Shabuma, Joel Embiid, fresh paint. Congratulations, Javier. Bonus time. Boom. 137 out of 225. 137 out of 225. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Artist Gilmore, old school jersey. Vintage materials for the Spurs. And your rookie card is Marcus Smart. This is set from set 1 of the rookie base cards. All right, that's it for Free Box Friday, February 13th, 2015 edition. All right, we'll catch you guys next week. Thanks.